Hey guys, this is Dr. Zach. Today we're installing a catback exhaust. I went ahead and took it out. So the seats from the cat converters in the front. I'm going to run them. We're going to use our original brackets, our mounts for the exhaust mounts. We're going to use the original ones. There we go. Alright, to go with the muffler. Right, let's put it over here. That's the catback, or for the header and the muffler. I have to go to in one piece. So it comes right out. That's your headers. Alright. Now for the new catback exhaust, nice welds. This is what's gonna be going on our 270Z Nissan. So it should be a pretty nice sounding car. And it comes with a whole exhaust kits and the gaskets. Alright. Hope everyone is doing well and being safe out there. Alright, I'm going to the bottom of the car. And we're going to start installing our exhaust. I'm going to set you guys right here while I get started. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to unpause it, put it up there, then start over again. Alright, we got our mufflers in. We're going to use the original bracket like I said. Put a little grease on it so it can be easier to go in. Now we're going to put our B pipe or C pipe. That's the other out. Alright, let's go ahead and put our B or C pipe. 1 sec. Alright, you guys. So we have the completed install. So everything tightened up. 4 bolts up there. Rocket bolts. So gasket in. Alright. There we go. Alright, so I got install brackets, nuts and bolts, gasket inside. Oh, yep. To our cat converters. Alright, you guys. Dual catback exhaust. Let's do a little sound clip. This is what it sounds like. Alright, we'll do a little sound clip. Alright, you guys, got the whole sound clip from our exhaust. Alright. So, there's our old exhaust. And I got our new exhaust installed on 270Z in the catback, all the way back. Alright, you guys, so stay tuned for more videos. And again, stay safe. Everyone be blessed. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay safe, you guys. God bless.